The e-commerce mobile prototype presents a streamlined and user-friendly shopping experience designed to guide customers from product discovery to final checkout windows. Each screen in the design plays a specific role in enhancing usability, improving navigation, and ensuring that users can complete their purchases smoothly. The overall layout features a consistent color scheme and intuitive interface elements, allowing users to interact with the application effortlessly. The homepage serves as the user's starting point and provides quick access to major features with its prominent search bar, promotional banners, and curated recommendation. The home screen immediately captures user attention and encourages exploration. The presence of shortcut buttons such as trending bestsellers and holiday deals makes browsing more convenient and engaging. The bottom navigation bar also ensures that users can easily switch between different sections of the application at any time. Next, the product listing. The product listing page organizes items into categories and subcategories, enabling users to refine their search based on their preference. Each product card displays essential information such as the item's name, image, price, and discount tab. This layout allows users to compare multiple items quickly and select products that meet their needs by keeping the design clean and the structure the prototype ensures that users do not feel overwhelmed when browsing through many options. The product detail page provides comprehensive information about a selected item. It highlights the product image, detail, pricing description, and customer reviews. This page plays a crucial role in helping users make informed purchasing decisions by presenting all relevant details into a clear and organized manner. Actions buttons such as add to cart and buy now make the shopping process convenient, empowering users to complete their purchase in just in few taps. The cart page function as a review area where users can check. Order na siya. Overall, the e-commerce prototype demonstrates throughout design and functional completeness. Each screen is carefully crafted to support the user in journey from browsing to buying. The interface is visually appealing, creative, and consistent, making the shopping experience not only efficient but also enjoyable. This prototype effectively showcased the essential elements of a modern mobile shopping application.